6 non-Toyota engines that never die. Think only Toyota builds bulletproof engines? Think again. These 6 non-Toyota power plants have survived abuse, neglect, and mileage that would scare most cars off the road. And number 6? It's legendary for a reason. First, Honda's K-Series. Found in Accords, Civics, CR-Vs. Simple design, strong internals, timing chain instead of a belt. Tuners push them hard, yet stock versions regularly cross 300,000 miles. The secret? Balanced engineering and relentless refinement. Next, Ford's 4.9-liter Inline-Six. Not flashy, not fast, but nearly impossible to kill. Thick, cast iron block, low-stress design. Farmers and contractors swore by it. Change the oil, and it just keeps working. Third, GM's LS V8. You knew this was coming. Compact, lightweight, massively overbuilt. From trucks to Corvettes, LS engines handle boost, towing, daily driving, sometimes all three. Some have crossed 400,000 miles unopened. That's not hype, that's metallurgy. Fourth, Mercedes-Benz OM617 diesel, the 5-cylinder tank from the 70s and 80s. Taxi fleets ran them past 500,000 miles. Mechanical injection, minimal electronics. Slow? Yes. Unstoppable? Also yes. Fifth, Volvo's Red Block, the 230. Built like industrial equipment. Forged internals in many variants. Turbo models begging for more boost. Scandinavian winters couldn't freeze it out. Owners joke the body rusts away before the engine quits. And sixth, Cummins 5.9 liters 12-valve. The heavyweight champion. Found in Dodge trucks through the 90s. Fully mechanical diesel. Massive torque. Million-mile capability with proper maintenance. It's not just durable, it's rebuildable forever. So what's the pattern here? Simplicity, strong materials, conservative tuning from the factory. These engines weren't chasing trends. They were engineered for longevity. But here's the twist. Even unkillable engines fail if abused. Overheating, oil starvation, cheap parts. Reliability isn't magic. It's maintenance meeting good design. Now imagine owning one of these legends, knowing the engine under your hood is proven, tested, trusted across decades. And here's the question. If you had to choose just one for a lifetime vehicle build, which would it be? Subscribe to join the Garage Genius community to master your own car repairs and save thousands. Because next, we're breaking down why one of these engines dominates the tuning world, and it might not be the one you expect.